Dear student, welcome. Good morning to everyone. In previous period, we discussed about some examples on tangent tangent segment theorem. Today, we discuss about different arcs of a circle. Let us start. As in previous period, we discussed about that example. Next example is small circle and big circle touching externally, and here tangent to both circle touching point C, and here touching point is D. A is the center of small circle and B is the center of big circle. E is the touching point of both circle. Find the length of segment CD if the radius of the circles are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. That information is given here. Asking question is find the length of CD. Then radius are given. Small circle's radius is 4 centimeter. Here we join the segments. Therefore, construction is important. Then figure in answer also essential. Line L is the common tangent. C and D are touching points. A and B are centers. E is the touching point. Then we want construction. Join CA, join DB, and join AB. Here, radius, small circle's radius, that is AC is the radius, and AE also radius, and that is 4 centimeter is given. Then big circle's radius is big radius, that is BD, and BE are the big radius, and big radius is 6 centimeter. Here 4, here 4 is the radius, here 6, and from D to B length is 6. Then we know the property of this is radius, and line L is called as tangent. Radius and tangent are, what is the property? Radius and tangent are perpendicular. Therefore, here 90. Segment AC is perpendicular to line L. Another radius BD also perpendicular to line L, because this is radius and this is tangent and both are perpendicular. And here we write radius and tangent are perpendicular. Then here we want distance CD. For that purpose, draw perpendicular from point A to segment BD. We draw perpendicular in this way. Segment here we write E. AE is perpendicular to BD. Draw segment AE perpendicular to segment BD. Before that, we join segments, join AC, then AB, AE and EB, join AE, join BE and join BD. This is the construction, and here we draw perpendicular AE to segment BE. Then we can say that here 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, this angle also 90 degree. Here we get triangle, and triangle side EB we don't know. For that purpose, we consider this quadrilateral. This quadrilateral CAED is which type quadrilateral? That is, here three angles are 90, fourth also 90, because of sum of measures of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Means each angle is 90 degree, then that quadrilateral CAED, that CAED quadrilateral is which type quadrilateral? Tell here. Is a rectangle, because each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, we can say that opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Yes, good answer given here. Which are the opposite sides congruent? That is CD congruent with segment AE, and segment AC congruent with segment ED. AC is 4 centimeter, therefore ED also 4 centimeter. This ED we get 4 centimeter, and reason is opposite sides are congruent. Yes. Then this big segment is 6 centimeter and small segment ED 4 centimeter. Then remaining segment EB we can find. BE is equal to, what is the method for finding BE? Yes, BE find out by big segment BD minus small segment ED. Big segment is 6 centimeter minus small segment is 4 centimeter. Tail here subtraction, that is 2 centimeter. Then we can get here 2 centimeter. Here this is equation 1. We consider, yes, good answer given. छान उत्तर द्यायला लागलाय. Then here this is 90 degree, means triangle AEB. Which type of triangle? That is in right angled triangle, that is AEB. Here value of AB is essential. Yes, AB is essential. AB is equal to addition of two segments, that is AE plus BE. AE is 4 plus BE is 6. We get 10 centimeter. Yes. Then here AB is 10 and another side is 2. Then third side find out by which method? Yes, by Pythagoras theorem. What we write? Conclusion, that is hypotenuse square. Here E is 90 degree. Its opposite side AB is the hypotenuse, means AB square is equal to base square, means BE square, plus height square, means AE square. Therefore, value of AB we can find 10. 4 plus 6, that is 10, and its square is equal to value of BE is 2, 2 square, and plus AE square. Yes, therefore 10 square is 100, is equal to 2 square is 4 plus AE square. Therefore 100 plus 4 taking on LHS side, it becomes minus 4 is equal to AE square. Then tell here subtraction. Subtraction is 96 is equal to AE square. Therefore AE square is equal to 96. Then factors of 96, because root cannot getting, this implies that square is present. Square remove by taking square root. Root of AE square is AE, and root of 96 remaining we cannot get directly root by taking square root. Therefore AE is equal to, factors of 96 are 96 चे अवयव 24 चौक 96 देखील येतात. आणखी एक अवयव आहेत मोठ्यात मोठे, ज्याचं वर्गमूळ निघेल असं, कोणते असतील? एस गुड. 16 6 are 96. Then root of 16 is 4 and root 6 remaining. Therefore asking question is, find the length of segment CD. The length of segment S AE is 4 root 6. Therefore AE and CD are congruent from equation 1. CD and AE are congruent 4 root 6, and reason is from equation 1. Yes, from equation 1, CD and AE are congruent. Value of AE and CD get similar. Therefore length of segment CD is 4 root 6 centimeter. And that is the answer. In this way we can find the answer. Then next concept we discuss here. Here circle is given, C is the center, and one line intersect circle in two distinct point. Then that line is called as, tell here, as secant. As that is, secant means छेदिका. Tangent we discuss, but here if line intersect circle into distinct point, then that is called as secant, and that secant makes divides circle into two different parts. One part is smaller part and another part is larger part. This smaller part is called as a secant, divides circle in two parts called as arc of the circle. Arc means counts. As that secant divides circle into two different parts, small part and big part, and that is called as arc. Out of these two, small part is called as minor arc and larger part is called as major arc. Small part is called as minor arc. Minor arc means लघु कंस. Minor means लघु, arc means कंस, and big part is called as major arc. Major arc means विशाल कंस. Then minor arc, its name is arc AXB, and name of major arc. Name of major arc is AYB. Arc AYB. In that arc, A and B are the endpoints of secants point here, and that are the endpoints of arc. Then measure of minor arc AXB plus measure of major arc AYB is equal to this minor arc and major arc their measurements addition is as 360 degree, that is circle's measurement, measure of circle, that is measure of arc AYB is equal to 360 plus becomes minus measure of arc AXB, means measure of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of minor arc. That formula we can get here. Yes. Then here circle with center O and one angle. Here one angle AOB is the angle, and its vertex, angle AOB, its vertex is O, and that vertex O lie on origin of the circle, then that angle is called as central angle. When the vertex of an angle is the center of the circle, it is called central angle. When the vertex of an angle is the center of a circle, then it is called as a central angle. And angle AOB is a central angle. Yes, angle AOB is the central angle. When we measure the central angle, when we measure the central angle in this way, then here we get 80 degree. That angle is 80 degree and arc measurement also 80 degree. Arc AXB, its measurement also we get 80 degree. Means measure of central angle and measure of minor arc both are similar. This angle is 80 degree. Here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and that minor arc AXB also its measurement 80 degree. Means we can say that measure of central angle is equal to measure of minor arc. Means measure of AOB is equal to measure of arc AXB. Central angle and minor arc are congruent each other. That conclusion we get here. If central angle is 70 degree, then its measure of minor arc find. How many degree we get? As central angle and minor arc are congruent. Central angle is 70 degree, therefore minor arc also 70 degree. Therefore, the measure of minor arc is 70 degree. Circle is given A X B, here AYB, segment AB divides circle into two parts. If measure of arc AXB is given 100 degree, then find measure of arc AYB. Yes, yes, many student give good answer. अगदी छान उत्तर द्यायला लागलाय. Measure of arc AYB is equal to, what is the formula? Tell here formula. Major arc is equal to major arc and minor arc make a circle, and circle's measurement is 360 degree minus measure of minor arc AXB is equal to 360 minus measure of AXB is 100, and tail here subtraction, that is 260 degree. In this way we can solve that example. Then next example we discuss here. A circle is given. C is the center. DC radius, CE radius, and CF also radius. Here point G is given. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Measure of arc DGF is equal to 200 degree. Find measure of arc DE and measure of arc DEF. Then here angle ECF is given, that is 70 degree. Then measure of angle CEF is equal to, what we write conclusion, as measure of angle ECF is 70 degree, and that angle is called as central angle. Angle CEF, angle ECF, angle ECF is 70 degree. This is central angle. Central angle and minor arc are congruent, is equal to measure of arc EF. Both are similar, that is 70 degree, and reason is central angle and minor arc congruent. Central angle and minor arc congruent. That reason we write here. Then here 70, here also we get 70. Then measure of arc DGF, that arc given here, its measurement is 200. Then arc DE find out. Measure of arc DE, we find out this arc DE, EF and DGF. Three arcs addition means we get circle, and we know circle's measurement, that is 360. 360 minus that two arcs measurement means we get measure of arc DE. Measure of arc DE, measure of arc DE is equal to 360 degree minus these two arcs addition, measure of arc EF plus measure of arc DGF is equal to 360 minus value of EF is 70 plus measure of arc DGF is given 200. 360 minus addition is 270 and subtraction tail here. Yes, good answer given here, 90 degree. Here we get 90 degree. Then next question is measure of arc DEF. Measure of arc DEF means addition of two arcs, arc DE and EF. Measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF. Value of DE is 90 and EF is 70. And addition is, that is 160 degree. In this way we can solve that example. Dear student, today we discuss about some different concepts. That concept you study in previous period, that is minor arc, major arc, their properties and central angle. Then next part we see in next period. Thank you.